lang kilala nyo po si Mayor Duterte. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
As a matter of fact, 20 years of your career in the Philippine National Police was spent with Mayor Duterte. Tama po?
Yes, Your Honor.
At nais ko po sanang tanungin ito hong mga personalidad na babanggitin ko sa inyo na sa tingin ko po ikilala nyo ito dahil sa haba ng panahon nakasama nyo siya sa inyong trabaho. Nakikilala nyo po ba si Police Chief Inspector Ernesto Makasait?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sino po siya?
Bimidal Police Officer ng Davao City yun.
How about SPO4 Desiderio Dick Cloribel?
Yes, Your Honor. Kapwa police ko po.
How about SPO4 Fulgencio Pavo?
Yes, Your Honor.
SPO4 Bienvenido Laud?
Yes, Your Honor.
SPO3 Jeremias Baguhin?
Yes, Your Honor.
SPO2 Teodoro Pagidobon?
Yes, Your Honor.
And PO1 June Naresma?
Yes, Your Honor.
Would you confirm with us na ito pong mga police na nakikilala nyo ay miyembro ng Anti-Crime Task Force ng Davao City Police during the time of Mayor Duterte?
Headed by Colonel Makasait, Your Honor. Yes.
I will be proceeding to the next batch of police officers, Mr. Buenaventura. Nakikilala niyo po ba si SPO3 Reynaldo Capute?
Yes, Your Honor.
How about SPO3 Simplicio Capute?
Simplicio.
Capute.
Simplicio Capute, wala po.
SPO2 Antonio Balolong.
Yes, Your Honor.
SPO1 Jim Tan.
Yes, Your Honor.
SPO1 Ben Furog.
Yes, Your Honor.
PO3 June Cabalinan.
Yes, Your Honor.
PO2 Arnold De Chavez.
Yes, Your Honor.
PO2 Rezalino Aquino.
Yes, Your Honor.
PO2 Jovencio Humawan.
Yes, Your Honor.
PO2 Enrique June Ayaw.
Yes, Your Honor.
PO1 Tata Migueliano.
Yes, Your Honor.
PO1 Ronald Lau.
Yes, Your Honor.
PO1 J. Francia.
Yes, Your Honor.
PO1 Reynante Medina.
Yes, Your Honor.
Senior Inspector Junicio Abude Jr.
Yes, Your Honor.
Bakit niyo po sila nakikilala?
Kapwa police po sila. Kapwa police ko po from Davao City.
And would you confirm that they are members of Heinous Crime Task Force?
Yes, Your Honor.
And that was also during the time of Mayor Duterte?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ang sunod ko pong itatanong sa inyo, nakikilala niyo po ba si Edgar Matobato?
Nakilala ko lang po si Edgar Matobato sa Samal Island, Your Honor.
Paano niyo po siya nakilala?
One time, may nakita ako wearing sleeveless shirt. Siguro, sleeveless. Nakita ko, may tao kasi, siyempre, pulis ako, may nakita akong tao naka-sleeveless, naglakad, na naka-holster ng 45 at pumunta siya sa isang sasakyan na yung owner type jeep. Mayroon yan siyang owner type jeep. Paglingon ko, mayroon siyang importin. Napatanong ako sa ibang tao, sino yan? Yan si Edgar Matobato, tauhan ni yung isang mayor ng Samal, Mayor ng Samal, Edgar Matobato, Antalan. Mayor Antalan, Your Honor.
Nabanggit niyo po na nung una niyong nakita si Edgar Matobato ay siya'y may dalang armas?
Naka-holster, Your Honor. Walang cover, labas ang 45.
Labas ang 45?
Yes.
At may nabanggit pa po kayong isang armas?
M14.
M14.
Yes,
Nalalaman niyo po ba kung si Edgar Matobato ay kapwa niyo pulis?
No.
And
Sabi nila, ano yan, police? Sabi ko. Kasi naka-react lang po ako dahil police ako na may nakita akong may armas. Ano yan? Bata ni Mayor Antalan.
I understand that you were a police officer during the time,
Yes, Your
Mr.
Honor.
Buenaventura. Did you not bother to prompt
Sabi kasi
Edgar
nila,
Matobato?
sabi nila member ng CHDF,
Ano po yun?
Civilian Home Defense Force, Your Honor.
Saan po ba naka-attach itong civilian force civilian police force. na
Home Defense Force. Army po yun sa Army.
Civilian Home Defense Force.
Yes, Your Honor.
Saan po ba attach itong Civilian Home Defense Force?
Sa military po, Army.
Sa military po.
Yes,
But
Your
you
Honor.
were saying kanina na siya ay bata, tao, ng mayor ng Samal. Tama po ba yun?
Tauhan siya ng mayor ng Samal.
Ano pong pangalan ng mayor ng Samal?
Mayor Antalan po.
Nalalaman niyo po ba kung ano itong Civilian Force Multiplier?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ano po ba itong Civilian Force Multiplier?
Home Defense Force yun under the Army. Under the Army.
Nalalaman niyo din po ba na kayo ay kilala ni Edgar Matubato?
After na, Your Honor, after noon. Yung first time nakita ko siya, after noon, nakilala niya rin ako na isang pulis. Kaya,
Kilala po kayo ni Edgar Matubato bilang boss doon sa grupo ni Mayor Duterte.
No,
Do you
na-
confirm this?
hindi naman boss, Your Honor. Security driver lang po ako.
Pero,
security driver.
Would you confirm na kayo po ay kilala ni Edgar Matubato bilang isa sa mga tao
Isang
ni Mayor
pulis po,
Duterte?
isang pulis.
And would you confirm also that for quite some time itong si Edgar Matubato ay naging tao din ni Mayor Duterte?
Hindi po.
Not at any point in time.
Narinig ko yung sabi niya na naging security siya ni Mayor Duterte. Hindi po totoo yan. Hindi totoo. Na naging security siya ni Basti, naghatid sa eskwelahan. Hindi po totoo yun. Hindi po totoo. Ang security ni Mayor Duterte, puro pulis.
Mr. Buenaventura, may mga babanggitin pa rin po akong pangalan dito.
Yes, Your Honor.
Nakikilala niyo po ba si Chris Lanay?
Chris Lanay. Hindi ko makuha man, Your Honor.
Si Andong?
Hindi ko kilala, Your Honor.
Si Jopet?
Hindi, Your Honor.
Si Alvin Laod?
Pulis din yun, Your Honor.
Alias Boboy Maldito?
Hindi, Your Honor.
Alejandro Casas alias Toothpick?
Yung bata ni Juan yun, Your Honor, ni Las Cañas.
Si Boy Pondoyo alias Boy Chacha?
Sa City Hall po yun, Your Honor.
Alias Inchik?
Hindi ko kilala, Your Honor.
Jerry Troso?
City Hall po, Your Honor.
De La Serna Brothers?
Hindi ko
Sina
kilala.
Ayan, Yoyin, at Jongjong?
Hindi ko kilala, Your Honor.
Duhilag Brothers na may pangalang Roland, Yanyan, Alan, at Valentin.
Hindi ko kilala, Your Honor.
Ayon po sa ating mga source, Mr. Buenaventura, ang mga nabanggit pong pangalan ay mga miyembro ng Davao Death Squad. At ito po ay ayon kay Arturo Las Cañas. Ano pong masasabi nyo rito?
Yan po ang sabi ni Las Cañas, Your Honor. Dahil sila, nasa heinous crime sila. Ako, security driver lang po ako ni Mayor Duterte. Wala akong kuwan doon. Isang unit sila doon sa police. Dito lang ako sa kay Mayor Duterte.
Do you confirm that Davao Death Squad exists?
Yun sa newspaper, sa media.
Do you know Arturo Las Cañas?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you know Jose Basilio?
No, Your Honor.
Las Cañas, Basilio, and Matubato. All of them are members of DDS, Davao Death Squad, and they are identifying you bilang taong dinadaanan ng mga orders ni Mayor Duterte. Ano pong masasabi nyo dito?
Ganito po yun, Your Honor. Heinous crime headed by Colonel Makasait. Si Colonel Makasait, SPO4 lang ako. Dati SPO3 pa. SPO3 pa ako. Kung ako mag-order sa kanila, Your Honor, Colonel Makasait, bumidal police officer ng Davao City, maniwala sa akin yon. Maniwala sa akin yun si Colonel Makasait.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Congressman Akop.
maniniwala sa iyo. Kasi ikaw ang palaging kasama ng mayor.
Pero hindi
Ano
ako...
naman talaga, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Galing ako sa
As
servisyo,
driver,
alam ko yan
as driver security, Your Honor.
Hindi,
Driver
pero
security
kung-
lang po ako.
Pero kung may iutos yung mayor sa iyo, iisipin nung kakausapin mo, galing kay mayor talaga yan. Di ba?
Wala mang giutos sa akin na ganyan, Mayor.
Iba yung sagot mo
sorry.
kanina.
Your Honor.
Hindi ko naman sinasabi kung may iniutos sa iyo.
Yeah.
Pero yung sinabi mo na hindi pwedeng sumunod si Major Makasait sa iyo, susunod yun dahil ikaw ay driver bodyguard ni Mayor. Kalakaran yun, di ba? Maski naman sa serbisyo, ganun eh. Di ba? Pares tayong galing sa serbisyo, kaya alam ko yan. Kaya huwag mong sagutin si Honorable Luis Ron ng ganun. Ang tamang sagot mo, hindi naman ako inutusan ni Mayor. Di ba? Mr. Buenaventura?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Buenaventura, sino po si Superman? Hindi nyo rin po ba alam?
Yun ang call sign ni Mayor. Doon may radyo pa kami. Superman.
At least you confirm
Yes, Your Honor.
that Superman is Mayor Duterte.
Yun ang call sign niya sa radio.
Yes, and he is actually called Superman by DDS. Do you confirm that?
I do not know, ma'am. I do not know.
Hindi
Sa
niyo
amin
po
lang yun,
alam?
ma'am, sa radio. Sa radio, ma'am. Yan ang call sign niya sa radio. Sa amin yun.
Everybody in DDS call Mayor Duterte as Superman.
Sino pong DDS, ma'am?
Mr. Buenaventura,
Yes, Your Honor.
are you not confirming to the Quadcom the existence of the Davao Death Squad?
Narinig ko lang yan, ma'am, dahil ang nagbigay ng pangalan yan is media.
Did you watch the Senate investigation where the President appeared?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you watch him confirm that there is Davao Death Squad?
Siya po, Your Honor.
Yes,
Siya po ang may sabi.
did you watch him confirm?
Yes.
Napanood niyo po ba yon?
Yes.
And napanood niyo din po bang sinabi niya na si Senator Bato ay kasama doon sa Davao Death Squad?
Narinig ko po, Your Honor.
And of course, you've heard already that Las Cañas is also confirming that there is Davao Death Squad.
Sa kanya, si Arturo Las Cañas po ang may sabi din sa kanya.
Yes, and even Matobato is confirming that there is Davao Death Squad.
Matubato. Yes, Your Honor.
And even Jose Basilio is confirming that there is Davao Death Squad.
Basilio, I do not know Basilio, Your Honor.
But of all the names that I have mentioned, I hope you realize that the President himself confirms the existence of Davao Death Squad, and you are denying Davao Death Squad.
I did not, Your Honor. Narinig ko lang, Your Honor. I am not answerable for Presidente, Your Honor.
Yes, but you are with the President since 1988 to 2008,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
I am inclined to believe that you know almost all the activities of the President. Tama po ba ako?
Hindi lahat.
And when the President say that he confirms that there is Davao Death Squad, then it means that there is really Davao Death Squad. And if you deny that, then somebody is telling a lie. If the President confirms this already, I do not understand why you keep on denying the Davao Death Squad.
Sa akin po, Your Honor, narinig ko lang. So, kung nagsabi ang Presidente, narinig ko sa kanya.
Before I end my interpellation, Mr. Chair, may I request the Secretariat to please flash the two pictures of the President with Mr. Buenaventura. Can we have the two pictures, Secretariat, please? This is only to bolster the fact that Mr. Buenaventura has been with the President since 1988 up to 2008. And for 20 years that he was working with President Duterte, then Mayor Duterte of Davao City. I wish to submit, Mr. Chair, that he is aware of all the activities then of Mayor Duterte. Secretariat. my last question, Mr. Buenaventura, ang sabi niyo po kanina, mabait si Mayor Duterte. You confirm that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Kung ibabalik ko po yung inyong nakaraan and if you will be given the choice, sino pong gusto nyong maging principal nyo ulit? Si Mayor Duterte po ba ulit?
Yes, Your Honor.
That's how you admire, idolize, respect, and care for the former president. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
And in the scale of 1 to 10, Mr. Buenaventura, if we will be assessing your loyalty and dedication to the former president, paano nyo ho ba gradean yung level ng loyalty at dedikasyon nyo sa former president?
10.
1 being the lowest and 10 being the highest.
10.
And with a grade of 10, you will not say anything that will harm the president, yes or no?
Sorry, ma'am.
And with a grade of 10, ibig sabihin, yun po ang pinakamataas na loyalty at dedication na ibinibigay nyo sa president, you will not say anything that will harm the president.
Yes. Yes, Your Honor.
To the extent that you will make misrepresentation to save the president, yes or no?
Sorry po. But what do you mean, Your Honor?
To the extent that you will be making misrepresentation to save the former president. Tama po ba yun? Yes or no?
Yes, Your Honor.
With that, Mr. Chair, then I wish to believe that the representations that he is giving
Mr.
to us
Chairman,
right now,
Can you kindly
not
translate that
entirely
to Tagalog? Para
Mr. Buenaventura,
Sorry.
kanina po tinanong
sorry,
ko
ma'am.
kayo
Sorry, Your Honor.
kung atin pong gragraduhan ang inyong loyalty at dedication sa inyong naging principal for a period of 20 years. 1 is the lowest and 10 is the highest.
10 po.
Ganon po kataas ang loyalty at dedikasyon nyo sa dating presidente. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
At dahil sa napakataas ng inyong loyalty at dedikasyon sa kanya, hindi po kayo magsasabi ng kahit na anong ikakapahamak niya. Tama po ba o mali?
Tama po.
At kung kailangan nyo pong magsinungaling, magsisinungaling kayo, mailigtas nyo lamang siya.
Hindi po.
Tama po o mali?
Hindi po.
Because you are loyal and dedicated to the former president.
Wala
At
na po.
kung kailangan nyo pong magsinungaling to save the former president, gagawin nyo rin pong magsinungaling. Tama po o mali? Tama. Because you graded your loyalty and dedication by 10. At kung kailangan nyo pong ialay ang buhay nyo, mailigtas lamang ang dating Pangulo, gagawin nyo din po ba yon?
Yes, Your Honor.
See? Kung kaya nyo pong ialay ang buhay nyo, mailigtas ang dating Pangulo, the more reason na kaya nyong magsinungaling, mailigtas lang ang dating Pangulo. Can we please flash the pictures? Next picture, please. The 2 old pictures. There. Maaari niyo po bang ituro sa amin dyan? Sino po ba kayo dyan?
Yung nakatindig po, nakaputi.
Yun pong nakatayong nakaputi.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sino po yung may bilog doon sa gitna?
Si dati presidente po.
At sino naman po yung mga kasama ninyo sa picture?
Taga-media po.
Taga-media. Saan po ba kuha itong letratong ito?
Sa kwan po, sa Turil, yung sa lang Ayala gani. Eden Bayabas po, hindi pa yon, wala pa yung
Mga anong taon po ba kuha itong letratong ito?
hindi ko lang maalala. Hindi ko lang maalala, Your Honor.
Approximate year lang po. Perhaps you can base it on the looks of the former president. Batang-bata pa po siya dito. If you started in 1988,
Early 90s, Your Honor.
early 90s, so mayor na po si President Duterte during that time.
Yes, Your Honor.
As early as then, gano'n na po kayo ka-close dito sa ating dating Pangulo, no? Kasi kahit mga media ang kasama, kayo pa rin ang kasama niya. Tama po ba?
Ako kasi ang security driver, Your
Is
Honor.
Turil outside Davao City?
Within Davao City.
Within
Your Honor.
Davao City. Can
To-
you flash the next picture, please? Sino po kayo dito, Mr. Buenaventura?
Wala po ako dyan, ma'am.
Wala po kayo. Sino po yung may bilog na naka-shades?
Hindi po ako yan, ma'am.
Sino nga po? Yung may bilog na naka-shades, if you can identify him. Nakikilala niyo po ba siya?
Hindi po, hindi po.
I think nakikilala ko po siya. He's the former president, tama po ba?
Ay, yung isa, ma'am. Yung dalawa kasi nakabilog, ma'am. Yung isa, ma'am, hindi ko kilala. Itong isa, ma'am, kilala ko.
He's the former president. At ito pong nasa bandang kaliwa, sino po ba yon?
Hindi ko kilala yan, ma'am.
Hindi niyo po nakikilala. Yun pong nasa likod.
Ay, hindi po.
Hindi niyo rin po kilala. But at least the first picture, Mr. Chair, shows that as early as 1990s, Mr. Buenaventura is already with the President and having spent 10 years of his police career with the President during the time as mayor of Davao City, I wish to believe that he has given so much loyalty and dedication to the President as proven by his recent answers. Ang sabi po niya, kung kailangan niyang ialay ang buhay niya to save the President, gagawin niya. At kung kailangan niyang magsinungaling to save the President, magsisinungaling siya. I submit, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Congresswoman Jinky Luistro. The next